everyone! Next week we're going to start using this website called MobyMax for math. So I'm going to show you how to sign in and how the students are going to do their math placement test so they can get lessons tailored specifically to their learning needs. So you're going to first start with typing in Lake Pleasant in the school name field, and it's the Peoria one. Then you're going to type in your username. I am going to use an example student's username here. This is your same username and password that you use for the student portal. When you click sign in, you're going to first see this screen where all of the different subjects come up. We're only going to use MobyMax for math right now, so click on the first math icon. And then it will prompt the students to take the math placement test. So this is a diagnostic test similar to what we do in iReady at school, so that this program can figure out what lessons the student needs, and it's going to be tailored to that student's needs. So it's different from iReady because in iReady, they are only getting the lessons that I assign to them. And in here, it will pinpoint the skills that they need to work on. So we're going to use iReady and this to kind of make sure that they're getting the math practice that they need in all areas. So they're going to go through the math placement test, and once the math placement test is done, then they're going to be receiving their math lessons and assignments on MobyMax based on the skills that they need to work on. So that is how you use MobyMax. It should be very easy to do. I'm not sure how long the math placement test takes. I would guess probably about 30 minutes. So when your child starts this, please make sure that they're in a good environment that they can focus and really show what they know on this test, because we don't want them rushing through it and getting answers wrong, and then they will be assigned lessons that are lower than what they need to work on. So please set aside at least 30 minutes of uninterrupted time for your student to take this math placement test the first time they log into MobyMax. All right, let me know if you have any questions. Bye.